Hello and welcome to Sehrawat Brothers. We understand that every customer has unique needs, and we're here to cater to your customized requirements. With our WhatsApp API account, we will be guiding you through the process of getting a personalized estimate for your project. Let's get started. At Sehrawat Brothers, we offer tailor-made solutions to meet your specific needs. Whether it's material type, thickness, product size, or shape, we can create the perfect product just for you. To provide you with an accurate estimate, we kindly ask you to share the following details with us. Material name, material thickness, product size and shape, delivery location. By providing this information, we can calculate the final price of your customized product and any associated delivery charges. If you have a large order, be sure to let us know. We're always happy to check if you qualify for any bulk discount offers. To send your personalized estimate, we will also need your name and email address. This will allow us to keep you updated on the progress of your project and ensure you receive the best customer service. Remember, we provide free and secure home delivery with 100% insurance all over India when you shop online for your product from our website. Enjoy factory pricing and the best material guarantee, as we are the proud manufacturers of these products. To enhance your shopping experience, we have integrated our WhatsApp API account at 7827678276 to handle your inquiries. Our chatbot is available 24/7 to provide you with detailed information on our products, including images, videos, and pricing. If you have any questions, just type your query, and our chatbot will provide complete information about the product in seconds. In case our chatbot can't answer your question, our dedicated customer support team at Sehrawat Brothers is ready to help. It may take some time, but we assure you that we will respond to your query. We're here to help you every step of the way. Namaskar and Jai Hind.